Shortwave and New Audio online at www.novahc.cn.
Welcome to Radio Havana Cuba's English language broadcast. Nice of you to join us here on this Wednesday. Got a lot of great stuff coming up for you as well. Stay with us. Stick and stay. Don't go away. We'll get a radio directly. And a whole radio Havana Cuba. Well, first we do our nation, international news from Cuba and the whole world. Then we'll have our commentary viewpoint from the editorial. Then our daily feature heard every Monday through Friday. We'll bring you cultural events with the Ocean. And we'll bring you the mailbag show, wrapping it all up this first hour with all the letters and email messages from listeners. This depends on the way. Our national news from Cuba.
Cuba and Vietnam have agreed to continue their efforts to implement the consensus reached during the visit of the General Secretary to the Communist Party of Vietnam, Roland Guzman. On his ex account, Cuban President Miguel Díaz-Canel reported that such a Intergovernmental AG has been exclusively leaders of Havana's France in Switzerland and New State Times since 1995, Switzerland being one of the most significant markets for these tobacco products globally. The event was attended by over 120 people, including representatives from the retail industry, journalists, distributors, and fans. The guests enjoyed a carefully curated selection from Long Iona's number 3, Wendy's, and the newly introduced Absoluto Pistola, crafted entirely by hand with long casing. The cigars were presented in a stunning presentation box, which has 21 of each above with a unique limited edition 224 grains. Each cigar is crafted using leaves from the Vuelta Baja region in the Cuban Western Republic of Pinar del Rio, renowned for producing some of the finest tobacco in the world.